In this movie, I want to create an image prop from information that I've received. I've got two parts to this. The first part is my photograph, and the second part is my mask. I need to import both parts in order to create my image prop. The mask will hide all the information I don't need. So, model on the menu bar, create image prop. There's my image, test, that's my test image. Let's open that test image. And the height of this is around about 4 feet, so 1200 millimeters. And I need a mask, so let's create the mask. And we're going to import an image, click OK. And there's my mask, that one there, enter. So the next part is to make sure we choose the transparent color. And so the black color is the transparent part. What it should do is to give me a lovely plant with no background to it. Click OK. Click OK again. There's my plant. If I turn around, you'll notice the plant rotates. If I turn on the auto rotate, the plant always looks straight at me. Sometimes that looks a little weird. But if you don't want it to do that, you can turn off the auto rotate. Now at the moment, the texture is allowing this to always look like it's in sun. And if you use it in a scene where you need to put shading on it, you need to edit the texture to do that. Hope you enjoyed that. If you got any comments, don't forget to leave them in the comments below. If you got any suggestions for me, leave me a comment. Tell me what you would like to see me do on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.